everyone. My name is Tiange. I'm a design lead at IDEO, and I lead teams in crafting digital products and emerging tech experiences, from healthcare to consumer electronics, from media app to IoT products, and from generative AI to immersive environments. But titles aside, at heart, I'm a multidisciplinary product designer and creative technologist. I love creating new ways for people to interact with machines, new experiences that make data feel alive, and interactions that are not only useful, but delightful as well. I joined the UX design jury because great user experience is always a game changer. It's what unlocks business value. It's what makes technology human. And ultimately, it makes people's lives a little better, maybe even a little happier. And UX Design Award to me stands out as one of the strongest communities celebrating exceptional design. It's selective, it's dedicated, and rigorous. And that matters because it pushes the whole field forward. I was honored to be recognized as a winner in 2023. So this year, I'm really excited to give back, to celebrate the designers raising the bar, and to be inspired by the next wave of bold ideas. At the end of the day, design is about people. It's not about the screen or the code or the word. It's about making someone's everyday just a little better, and that's why I'm here. For me, great UX always comes down to one thing. It's about creating an experience. And when I look at a project, a few qualities really stand out. First of all, rigor. The beauty of UX isn't just in a pretty screen or a clever feature. It's in the system thinking. So how each decision connects and how it scales across your product, your brand, your business. It's about coherence, not fragments. And then second, I would say timelessness. That may sound a little strange in a world where technology changes every other month, but human experiences don't change that fast. The things that bring us joy or causes us frustration, those are deeply rooted. Great UX resonates today, and it should still resonate tomorrow. Thirdly, technology as a pass-through. The best designs disappear. They let people focus on what they want to do, not the tool itself. It should feel smooth, natural, like how it was always meant to be there. And finally, surprise. A little spark of delight. Something that makes you smile or say, wow. It might be a subtle design gesture or a clever use case of a technology. But in those small human moments, that's when it turned an experience from good into unforgettable. I will share something from Japan. So there's a practice called sekimori ishi. It literally means barrier guard stone. It's just a small stone. It's tied with a rope placed in a garden path. It doesn't shout "do not enter" in bold letters. Instead, it's like a subtle signal, and it blends into the environment. It also respects the flow of the space. And yet everyone understands that you shouldn't go further when you see a stone in the middle of a garden path like that. So I really love that. It's designed without shouting, it's contextual, it's elegant, and it trusts the user's intuition. So I'll give a recent example. Just last weekend, I went on a little weekend excursion and was driving a rental car. I noticed something simple, but I thought it was brilliant. So it was right below my speedometer in the dashboard. There was a little tiny display showing the speed limit of the road I was on. It's like 55 on one highway, 65 on another. It sounds really small, but it did make me smile because it saved me from pulling up my navigation app and check the speed limit sideways. Also, usually in a sea of information on that screen. It was also just humbly there, exactly where I needed in the flow of driving. And I think that's what great UX does. It removes friction, it feels seamless, and sometimes it just makes your day a little easier.